In this video, we're going to solve a problem in circle. So the problem is, write the equation of the circle with radius square root of 7 and center -1, comma -9. So the standard form of a circle is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to r squared. Our h here is equal to -1 and our k is equal to -9. And our r is equal to square root of 7. So let's just plug in what is known. So x minus -1 quantity squared plus y minus -9 quantity squared is equal to square root of 7 squared. So x minus -1, that is equal to x plus 1, then quantity squared, plus y minus -9, that is equal to y plus 9, then quantity is squared, and the square root of 7 squared is equal to 7. So that's the answer to the problem.